Hello, students. This is Monica Thakur. I welcome you all to the English classroom. The topic I am addressing today is glossary. Can you tell me, students, what is glossary? Let me tell you. Glossary is an alphabetical list of words relating to a specific subject, specific text, specific dialect with explanation. Or in simple way, you can say glossary is brief dictionary. So we are to do this glossary. Glossary ਦਾ ਭਾਵ ਕੀ ਹੈ difficult words ਦੀ explanation ਔਰ ਉਸ ਦਾ meaning ਸ਼ਬਦਾਂ ਦਾ ਅਰਥ. In your book, section C of your book, The Panorama of Life, there is chapter 3, Sparrows, written by K.A. Abbas. So the chapter written by K.A. Abbas has some difficult words. You will come across the words while reading the chapter. This chapter comes in your extensive reading. Extensive reading is reading for joy. But this will give you many difficult words and their meanings. So today we are to go through glossary of the chapter Sparrows. The first word, students, it is hilarious tones. Hilarious, that is boisterously merry, बहुत खुशी वाला. Tones, आवाज़ां. So when it comes to hilarious tones, noisy laughter, ਉੱਚੀ ਉੱਚੀ ਹੱਸਣ ਦਾ ਸ਼ੋਰ. Then compassion. You also speak with me. Compassion. It's not compassion, it's compassion. SH, shun. Repeat, compassion. That is concern for the suffering of others, misfortunes of others. Simple ਭਾਸ਼ਾ 'ਚ ਗੱਲ ਕਰੀਏ ਤਾਂ ਹਮਦਰਦੀ. Sympathy. Next word, very important. All the words are very important. With this word, how to pronounce it? Let us speak. Let us pronounce it together. It's vanquish. Now its ing is also there, so it's vanquishing. Vanquishing. That is defeating. ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਹਰਾਉਣਾ. That is conquering. ਜਿੱਤ ਪ੍ਰਾਪਤ ਕਰਨੀ. Next word है furtive. It's not furtive. Because R is silent, so we'll say furtive. That is attempting to avoid notice or attention. We can say in a secret way. चोरी छिपे, गुप्त तरीके नाल. Next है resentment. What is that resentment? Anger. That is bitter indignation at having been treated unfairly. ਗੁੱਸਾ ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ. ਨੈਕਸਟ ਵਰਡ ਕਾਜ਼ੀ. ਮੁਸਲਮਾਨਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਪੁਜਾਰੀ ਹੈ ਉਸਨੂੰ ਕਾਜ਼ੀ ਕਿਹਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਬੱਚਿਓ. ਯੂ ਨੋ ਇਟ ਵੈਰੀ ਵੈਲ. ਨੈਕਸਟ ਵਰਡ, ਸੈਵਨਥ ਵਰਡ, that is persecution. Now R is again silent, so persecution. Speak with me. It's persecution. That is cruel treatment. ਜ਼ੁਲਮ ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਹੀਏ, hostility, ill treatment, ਅਤਿਆਚਾਰ, ਖਾਸ ਤੌਰ 'ਤੇ ਰਿਲੀਜੀਅਸ ਬਿਲੀਫਸ ਨੂੰ ਲੈ ਕੇ. ਨੈਕਸਟ ਵਰਡ detested. Detested, to dislike, that is being disliked intensely. Detested, a hated person, ਜਿਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਨਫ਼ਰਤ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾਵੇ. Then comes gnawing. It's gnawing. Again, G silent, gnawing. So, that is persistently worrying or distressing. We can say biting, ਕੱਟਣਾ. ਲਗਾਤਾਰ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਗੱਲ ਦਿਮਾਗ ਨੂੰ ਤਕਲੀਫ ਦਿੰਦੀ ਰਹੇ, ਲਗਾਤਾਰ ਕੱਟਦੀ ਰਹੇ, ਕਚੋਟਦੀ ਰਹੇ. wreck. wreck ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ? destroy, that is to wreck, ਨਸ਼ਟ ਕਰਨਾ. mites. Mites, छोटे छोटे जीव, कीड़े मकोड़े. Then it comes docility. It's not docility, docility. Speak with me. Docility. It's a docility. That is passive obedience. ਬਿਨਾ ਕਿਸੇ ਸਰਗਰਮ ਹੁੰਗਾਰੇ ਦੇ ਜੋ ਵੀ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ ਉਸਨੂੰ ਸਵੀਕਾਰ ਲੈਣਾ, ਚੁੱਪਚਾਪ ਆਗਿਆਕਾਰੀ ਬਣ ਜਾਣਾ. Next word, ablution. Ablution. Ablutions, that is washing off the body, the act of washing oneself. Then comes vixen. Vixen, an ill-tempered woman. झगड़ालू औरत. Antics. Antics, ਅਸੀਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਬੜਾ ਹੀ ਅਮਿਊਜ਼ਿੰਗ ਜਿਹਾ, outrageous ਜਾਂ foolish ਜਿਹਾ behavior, ਹਾਸੇ ਮਖੌਲ ਵਾਲਾ behavior. Then ਚੌਪਾਲ. ਚੌਪਾਲ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਜਾਣਦੇ ਹੋ, ਇੱਕ ਅਜਿਹਾ ਪਲੇਟਫਾਰਮ at the entry point of the village where people sit and gossip, ਜਿੱਥੇ ਲੋਕ ਬੈਠ ਕੇ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਨ, ਗੱਪਾਂ ਮਾਰਦੇ ਹਨ. That is known as ਚੌਪਾਲ. So this is the end of part 1 of glossary. We'll meet again with part 2. Till then, learn these words by heart with pronunciation. Proper pronunciation is key to success. So if you want to learn your target language, pronounce it in a better way, because we all are learners. So as you have come to know about the drill, you can speak fluently also. Thank you, students.